Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new Resuxi with the model number D9. Kemi or VGR got almost the same style, so I'm gonna put a picture right here. And I choose this one just because the one of Kemi or VGR got LCD display at the front here, and this one got LCD display on the side. 3 hours charging time and 150 minutes operating time. So okay, the manual got 2000 milliamp battery with 5 watts and got a lot of guide combs. I guess 10 guide combs. So that's a charging cable and it's a USB Type-C. Got also a comb. I can see that. So I want to go inside a lot. Here is the clipper. Oh, okay. Got also a cape. I guess so. This is the clipper. Almost like low pro. Feels good on the hand also, I have to say. Got clicky lever. I guess 5 clicky lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 clicky lever, but let's see if maybe all the 5 clicks are moving. It's moving. Okay, all the 5 clicks are moving, which is really good. Okay, this one aside. And the top here is a metal. And you got the logo of Resuxi. Down you got the USB. Okay, and you got a taper blade. As you can see, a taper blade with a ceramic cutter blade. Okay, it's not bad on hand, feels good. Okay, and got also 2 speed, the 4 speed, as you can see. And the second one, it's not bad. It's a little bit heavy. But here is metal.